Hello everyone, I am Tukkagiri. Welcome to channel Cadd+Theory. In this class, we will discuss about SolidWorks design table. To create SolidWorks design table, first we need to create a component and we need to assign names to the dimensions. So let's see. Taking new plane, new part modeling, selecting part. Okay. So I'm selecting the front plane, sketch, taking a basic rectangular, giving dimension 200 mm and here 50 mm or 100. Okay, then exit sketch, go to future tab, select extrude boss, reverse direction, select reverse direction, your wish. You can want whatever you want, you can do. So I'm giving 5 mm here thickness. And okay, now we got a rectangular part. So before creating design table, so we need to do one thing, that is we need to assign names to the dimensions. It will easily identifying while linking to the design table. Okay, so this one, selecting this one and go to the tree tab, and here you can see primary value. In this editing here d1 to length, then I can easily assign to the design table, right? Here height and exit sketch, and then we need to assign thickness also, right? See, select here dimension and just click on the part or click on the boss, extrude boss, select this one, so, change to thickness. Okay, and you can edit this name, extrude boss feature name also, rename to rectangle. Okay, now it is created. We'll see how to create a design table in next video. Thank you.